Hello, 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 guys. How you doing? I hope that you're doing fine. This is Master Calvin FX here, Eldorado FX. Remember, this is trading involves risk. So this is a disclaimer. Past results don't basically guarantee future results, and trading is risky. And this is no financial advice. Whatever we are doing here, just analyzing the market and giving our views. So, very nice the movement that we have in gold today. So we have a consolidation day. Still, we don't have a proper breakout, but we see that prices remaining below our trend line, for our trend line. So we see that for our 1 hour, we did that. And we also see that still remaining above the other trend line, which is at the bottom. Today, we're gonna do some adjustments and find out new zones for that. We see that the daily demand area responded very well. We all our setup as well was really good. It gave more than 150 points to the or 50 pips to the upside from entry. You see that here. Yeah. So it went all the way up. So it was like really nice 140 bips there. If you manage to enter, then in our signal group, we managed to send a sell signal from the zone 57 to 59, having a nice drop to the downside, which was really good as well. So yeah, either way, we try to make money in this consolidation market, guys, and this is what we do. So we're gonna clean our chart today, and let's see what we have. This is we're gonna establish new zones, and also once again, we believe that if we go to the daily charts, we notice that gold is declining. So, but for now, we're gonna see that gold is still trading on a range, on a sideways market. So let's see what's gonna happen. But for now, this is the range area that it keep trading. And then we also have today new zones coming into live action. We have the big one, the big supply area on the top, but we also have today another area that we can use. So today's high is this one, and then we also have the low today. So we're still in the higher time frame in a bullish market, but we are still looking for opportunity in this sideways selling and buying as the market goes. So this is what we're trying to achieve here, and this will be our supply area. In this case, let's have a look if we can identify this, but it's a really massive area as well. So this is, remember, the 4 hour time frame, sorry, the daily time frame that we are analyzing. So guys, remember that we are sponsored by PU Prime and Vantage FX. So this is all supply, daily supply. So we're going to 4 hours and see some massive supply area to the upside. And let's see what we can identify here, guys. But for now, the only thing I can think of, the prices might be targeting this area and probably below to grab some liquidity before try to push up to the upside. But for now, we're waiting for the big day, which is on Wednesday, for the news, the big orders that are coming from Wednesday, and let's see what's gonna happen. But for now, we can identify that gold is still trading below our 4 hour trend line. So which just means that, yeah, the market is declining. We also can identify that we are inside like a channel to the downside. but let's have a look if we can just get an idea of what's going on. Yeah, so let's see, this will be the channel that could already break here, so that's an indication that we might get a breakout probably to the downside. Okay, especially to retest this area that is pending for retesting. All right, so let's have a look if we can narrow down our entry and then just get an entry for tomorrow. All right, so for now, let's just go like this. And once again, the price is still close. Yeah, the price is still going into the area, still trading between the trend lines, and we see that. So most likely that we're gonna be expecting, to be honest, to narrow down our entry. It will be an entry from this area here. I'm gonna change the color in a minute, and then we can start typing straight away the setups that are gonna be expecting, or we're going to be expecting for tomorrow. Okay, let's choose this one in purpose. Inside the zone, this is inside the daily demand area. And then let's see if tomorrow we just, I think we can go and do a little bit more of refinement and find out what we can get. Okay, so for now, let's do the, let's find the entry. Yep. So this is the entry that I believe it would be worth to try. After checking the rectangle tool and checking what might happen to go is that as we are in bullish in a higher time frame, most likely that we might get yeah, this area for an entry if the prices still respect the trend line. So this is what we're expecting. We're expecting to still going into a pinpoint area, most likely. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting that might happen. So if we really go to the upside area, so most likely the goal would be trying to probably remain inside this area. Let's see if we can do ping pong. But in the end, what I would like to see is a breakout to the upside. But we need to be dynamic. Either way, it can do the breaking as well, the trend line. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna establish our buy zone or our buy area by price. So this is what I would like to see, price closing above the trend line and give confirmation for a buy. And we're gonna go for a 50 pips SL. So we're gonna, the entry should be the entry idea 2634. Yep, 2634, and the profit level 2685. Still looking for that target still. So let's see what's gonna happen. But I believe that the price can still consolidate. So yeah, 2629 that would be a decent sell that we have here. Okay, so after we have all of these created, all these zones, guys, that you can see, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna clear it up and then establish also a sell area that we can identify, and then go from there and then type for you guys all the coordinates that we can probably gonna have. All right, so for now we have a couple of areas that can be as supply. So yeah, let's have a look. So in this scenario, what I would like to do, to be honest, is find some sell setups. So the first one being as an entry and as a try, because it's just, as I say, this is probability that you use when you trade, guys. And this is one of them that I would love to try to give it a go. But let's have a look what happened. So yeah, what the first cell that will be in here, targeting 24. Okay, so let's put the coordinates. So 2660, SL of 2006, TP level 2624. We're still in ping pong area, so that's why I'm establishing sells and buy. I prefer the buys because, to be honest, on the higher time frame, we are in a bullish market still. But yeah, at the moment we are in a consolidation market, so that's what the only thing I can say, guys. So focus more on buys than sell. But for now, we're just trying to clarify. If we're gonna do 4 setups idea, but guys, remember we always have to check for confirmations. All right. So 2600 and this in this at this time will be the SL that we're establishing and 65. That will be 50 pips SL. All right. Once again, check for confirmation. So our third setup or our third idea to check for entry would be a short position as well. And we're gonna go not for many pips on this one, not for, okay, so this is the entry we want to achieve, one of them. So 2670 will be the number, and then our SL will be 2674. All right, we're only gonna have actually 75. That would be 50 pips SL, which is very decent. Sorry about that. This is the profit level, 2634 targeting, and then 2675. All right. This more or less this will be the trade idea. So, but once again, we also would like to see another buy setup as well. All right, so I'm gonna take out all of this one. So we already know which areas we're looking for. We're looking to do. So just deleting everything. So guys, you can see very clear all the setups that I'm doing, and I will type it on top basically of each setup the coordinates so you don't get to miss it. But once again, I would like to see in this scenario. All right, let me just move it. All right, this is our 2 cell setups idea. 2660, gonna type in again. Profit level 2624. And then 2665 will be the SL. And then we're gonna have our other buy setup here, or buy another buy idea. So we're gonna have 4 setups idea. What am I giving all of these setups idea? Because I think it would be usable for you guys to use it to identify uh, these areas. But this one, I'm gonna go to the edge of the area, completely there. And then 2620 will be, actually 2624 will be the entry, 2685 will be the target, and then 2619 will be our SL. All right, this is, let's have a look if we can get this working. And once again, as I say, I'm gonna delete everything. We already see the analysis, establish the zones and all of that, the target. So we should be fine clearing this out. We know the range, we know the details of that already. We've been talking about that for, I think, for the last 2 weeks. So let's see what's gonna happen. Okay. So this is the 4 setups that you guys that I'm thinking of. So the first one is gonna type it here. Number 1, buy idea and check for confirmations. Buy idea, buy. Anyways, buy. Check confirmations. All right. 2,620 and 34 would be our entry. Entry TP 2,685 SL 2,629. Remember, our standard TP is 3K. Okay, this is more or less the first setup. That is the idea on the first setup. So now we go to moving on to the second buy idea. So our second buy idea, second buy will be check confirmations as usual. All right. And then we're gonna go as established 2,624 entry. And then TP 2,685. Standard TP 3K. And then SL 2,690. All right. More or less, this will be on the buy side. So now we're moving to the sell side. Okay. So sells, sell. Number 1, sells. So number setup, number 4, number 3, sorry, sell. And then we're gonna change the color so we don't get be confused. So be orange. So sell. The first sell idea, check confirmations. You check confirmation. $2,660 entry. TP 2,634. SL 2,665. All right, that will be our third setup. Our second set, our fourth setup, 4 would be a sell as well. So check for confirmations. All right. 2,670 entry. 2,675. Sorry, 2,624. That would be the TP. TP SL 2,675. All right, this is the idea, 4 ideas here to check for confirmations, look for buy and sells. Will be first say sell to buy and then buy to sell. So within the range that we are right now, so this is what the ideas I'm looking at. Okay, all the best guys in gold. Let's see how it goes and let's see. Okay, for now, I'm just gonna move to silver. Sorry, to US30. US30 has been really interesting because it went all the way down today. Remember that was shooting up, but it failed to take the high. So now we have US30 going, dropping down to our second zone and trying to go up again. But for now, once again, we'll still check for confirmations down below here and try to go for buys in US30. That's the only recommendation I can just give you. All right. Anyways, US30 is also in consolidation stage. I believe that Wednesday will be the decider. Where is that going? It's now right like too high to sell, like too high to buy, and then in retracement will be the best opportunity to buy. Okay, because the market is really high and it's really going up as we identified before. All right, guys, all the best. And as I say, once again, we are here for you guys. If you want to receive signals, guide the entry, SLTP and everything, join our signal group, join our brokers, and then you can trade with us. All right. Have a nice one and see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.